we get to dive in and see how you guys did it, and then that kind of informs a lot of, decisions that we make.
Just internally in our design reviews, somebody has an idea and they're trying to communicate it to the partner, communicate it to the rest of the team. If they can communicate that more clearly, they're going to get better feedback, better results. The building is going to be better. If we can use something like Unity Reflect to change that communication and improve that communication, we can save time and cost in terms of fixing mistakes.
We are using archaic methods for buildings still. We started with hand drawing, two-dimensional drawings. Then we got in the computer, started using CAD to make two-dimensional drawing faster. Now we're three-dimensionally modeling in order to make two-dimensional drawing faster. That is why we're three-dimensional modeling. With the right team and with the right partners in the industry, we can get this done.